Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my wash and go a little bit differently. Normally when I do wash and goes, I just use aloe vera juice, my DIY oil mixture in my hair, and then I follow up with a leave-in conditioner and gel. But today I'm going to be adding a few other products. So whenever I start off on freshly washed hair, regardless of what style I'm doing, I like to add aloe vera juice to my hair. Aloe vera juice is very moisturizing, it helps balance the hair's pH, and it also helps closes the cuticle. And then my DIY oil mixture, I just apply that to my scalp. So you usually don't see me do this in a lot of my videos because I rinse out my deep conditioner or my conditioner in the shower after washing my hair, and then I add the aloe vera juice and oil right to my hair right after I rinse it out when my hair is soaking wet. And then after that, I get dressed, set up my camera equipment, or if I'm not filming that day, I just get dressed and then I do my hair. So the aloe vera juice and oil just helps that my hair doesn't, it just helps me keep my hair saturated a little bit longer so that the water doesn't dry out my hair right away. If all I have in my hair is water, by the time I'm getting dressed and setting up my filming equipment, my hair will get dry very quickly, which for certain styles is not a bad thing, but for a wash and go, I want my hair to be as saturated as possible. So after adding the aloe vera juice and oil to my hair, I sprayed my hair all over with this leave-in conditioner from Texture ID. So I do have a video on these Texture ID products. So after applying the leave-in from Texture ID, I'm going to add Giovanni's direct leave-in to my hair, and I'm going to start with the back. After adding the leave-in, I detangle my hair with the wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to follow up with Texture ID styling cream. So what I love about the leave-in from Giovanni is that it's very moisturizing, and it has a lot of slip, but it's also on the creamier side, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. And then after applying the leave-in conditioner, I followed up with Texture ID styling cream. I also used that in my other video where I used the leave-in conditioner as well. So in my video, I did use the product on stretched hair, but in this video, I'm going to show you how I use it on wet hair. Now, I've used Texture ID styling cream on wet hair before to do a twist out and to do another wash and go. I just never recorded it. So after adding the Texture ID styling cream, I go ahead and add Giovanni's styling gel. So this styling gel is very drying. Like the first time I used the styling gel, all I had was Giovanni's direct leave-in in my hair. Of course, I had the aloe vera juice and oil in my hair as well, but the gel just really made my hair very dry. Now, it does a great job of defining my curls, but it's just not worth the dryness to me. So I thought that maybe this week, if I added a few more products to my hair than what I normally add, that it would help, but it really didn't. It was still as dry. Also, when I applied the leave-in to when I applied the gel to my hair, I noticed that in the back where my hair touches my neck, that really started to itch. I also don't really like the smell of this gel, so I probably won't use this product again in my hair, and I definitely won't repurchase it. So this gel is also kind of hard to work through my hair as well. So when I got to the front, I just applied the gel to my hair. I poured the gel in my hand and then sprayed some water to make it easier to apply to my hair. And then afterwards, I added more water, and if I needed to, add a little bit more gel. And I also followed up by sealing my hair with my DIY oil mixture. So my DIY oil mixture is grapeseed oil, castor oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and sunflower oil. And I let my hair air dry for a little while before I get under my hooded dryer. I sat under my hooded dryer for an hour. My hair was about 95% dry. As you can see, my hair shrunk up a lot. My curls are nice and defined, but the gel is just still very drying, and it left my hair feeling very hard and stiff. So yeah, I'm not using the gel again, but I do love the other products. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.